On this video today, I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method that I'm about to show you is new, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. I will show you the best offer that you can promote and a high quality traffic source that you can use to get people to enter the requirements so that you can be paid. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. A CPA marketing network is a website where you can find different CPA offers to promote. There are many of them, so you can join any CPA marketing network that you know. In this case, I'm using CPA Grip. CPA Grip is one of the best CPA affiliate networks that you can join to find a lot of different CPA offers that you can promote to earn money from home. So search for CPA Grip. Once you search for it, create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on offer tools. Once you click on it, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer to promote. CPA offers are geo-specific, so you have to find a specific country where you have a traffic source and then find the offers that are allowed in that country so that you can promote them to make money anytime you get a lead. As you can see on your screen, all these offers are allowed to be promoted to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see these are the payout. You can see this is the offer that your potential visitor is going to get. This is the requirement, and this is the device that the offer is allowed on. So this one, for example, you can see the offer is allowed on Android device. Your potential visitors are required to enter their email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning £1,000 towards iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see it right here, and you are going to be paid $2.22. The next offer is allowed on desktop, and you can see your potential visitors are required to enter their credit card details so that they can sign up for an account. Once they are able to sign up for the account, you are going to be paid $4.71. So if you have a traffic source in the United Kingdom, you can promote any of these offers. But in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select a different country because these offers, the payouts are low. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for a different country with offers that have higher payout. To select a country, click right here. Once you click on it, you can search for any country that you want. You can see a whole lot of different countries. Just search for any country that you want so that you can promote the offers that are allowed in that country. You can see a whole lot of different countries. In this case, I'm going to search for Spain. So search for Spain. Once you search for it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on Spain, you're going to see a page like this. When you scroll down, you can see these are offers that are available for you to promote to people who live in Spain. You can see a whole lot of different offers that you can promote. So what you need to do is that you have to select the one that you want so that you can promote it. You can see most of the offers, the payout is high, so you can just select the one that you want and then promote it. If you want to understand what the offers are about, you can translate them so that you can understand them much better. To translate the text, right click on your screen. Once you right click on it, scroll down to the button, you can see translate to English. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see everything has been translated to English, so you can now understand what the offers are about. So just scroll down and then select the offer that you want. Since you now understand what the offers are about, you can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. You can see this one is access the latest EA Sports FC 2024. You can see it right here. If you want to promote this offer, you can promote it because the payout is high. Apart from that offer, when you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. So when you scroll down, you can see right here, this one you're going to be earning $19.25 per every lead that you get. This one you're going to be earning $17.11 per every lead that you get. You can see get the latest content. That is the title of the offer. You can see the requirement is pin submit. So your potential visitors are required to submit a pin so that they can get access to the latest game content, and you're going to be paid $17.11. When you scroll down, there are many other offers that you can promote. When you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $8.21. When you scroll down further, there are many others. So just select the one that you want. You can see this one you're going to be earning $16.68. This one is $12.83, $12.83, $8.21. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select the one that you want. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. To promote the offer, click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the one right here. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Spain, so you don't have to promote it to any country apart from Spain. You can see this is the description of the offer. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Spain to click on your affiliate link and then enter the requirements so that they can get access to the latest game content, and you are going to be paid $17.11. You can use any kind of traffic that you want, but you must target people who live in Spain. So you can use the free traffic source, you can use the paid traffic source. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you an extremely cheap paid traffic source that you can use to get people to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to get paid on CPA Grip. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is rapidhits.net. Rapidhits.net is a traffic network where you can buy traffic at a very cheap cost. You can see buy targeted traffic cheaply. So this website allows you to buy traffic at a very cheap cost. When you scroll down, you can see this is their daily visit. You can see daily unique visitors over 500 million. You can see it right here. So this is one of the best traffic sources that you can use. The pay per click is very cheap and it is easy to run ads on this website as a complete beginner. So what you have to do is that you have to join as an advertiser. Once you join, you can publish ads on this website at a very cheap cost. You can see these are their ad formats. You can see they have push notification, pop under, and many other ad formats that you can select. When you scroll down, you can see people are giving testimonies of the results that they get on this website. You can see these are testimonials on Trustpilot. So make sure you sign up for an account so that you can be able to publish your ads on this website at a very cheap cost. To sign up for an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create a Rapid Hits account. So once you click on it, you can be able to enter your details so that you can create an account for free. You have to enter your full name, your company name, email address, phone number. You can skip it, Skype you can skip it, enter your password, repeat your password. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then select your country, enter your address, select your city, your region, the zip code. Once that is done, you have to also click right here, how did you find us? Once you click on it, just select any of these. Once you select it, click right here, continue to terms and conditions. Once you click on it, you'll be able to get access to the terms and conditions. Accept them. Once you accept them, you can get access to a free account so that you can be using it to publish ads on this website. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to run a campaign so that you can be able to get people to click on your affiliate link. You can see if you want web traffic, you can select web traffic. If you want leads and sales, you have to select this one. If you want people to install your apps, you can click right here, app installs. If you want to select the brand awareness, you can do that. Video promotion, you can do that. In this case, what we want to do is that we want traffic to our affiliate link. So you have to select web traffic. Once you select the web traffic, the next step is that you have to select the ad format. You can select push notification, pop under, native ads, and then display. In this case, what I want to do is that I want to select push notification. Once you select push notification, the next step is that you have to give a name to your campaign. So you can type something like latest content, something like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste your affiliate link here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, you can see this is your affiliate link. Click on copy link so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to paste the title of the ad that you want to run here. So you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, copy the title of the offer as your ad title. So highlight and copy the title of the offer. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see it is more than 30 characters, so you can delete some. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the description of the offer here. So you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, highlight and copy the description of the offer, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload the images of the offer here. You can see you have to upload the icon image and the main image. To get images of the offer, you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can get the main image of the offer that you are promoting. To get images of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip, put your pointer on the image of the offer, right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save image as. Once that is done, you have to click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, the next step is that you have to come back, click right here, upload icon image, so that you can upload the image that you downloaded. So you can see this is the image. Select it, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. You can crop it the way you want. Once that is done, you have to upload the same image here, so click on it. Once you click on it, select your image and then click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can crop it the way you want, crop it and then click on crop. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the cost per click. You can see this is the default cost per click, so if you want, you can use this one or you can increase it. In this case, I want to increase it to 8 so that my ad will rank higher than my competitors, so just leave it like this. So enter 8 or more. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select how you want your budget to be spent. If you want your budget to be spent evenly, you have to select evenly. If you don't want it to be spent evenly, you can select as soon as possible. As soon as possible means this website can spend the amount of money that you have in your budget at any time that you want. But evenly means your ad has to run within the 24 hours, so they will let your ad run throughout the day. In this case, I want my ad to run throughout the day, so I will select evenly. Once that is done, you can see this is the daily budget, $1. If you want, you can increase it to any amount that you want. If you want it to be unlimited, you can click right here, enable unlimited budget. But in this case, I just want to leave it $1. I want to spend $1 per day. If I'm able to get the results, I can then increase it to any amount that I want. Once that is done, you have to select the country that you are targeting. So click right here. Once you click on it, you have to search for Spain. You can see Spain right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see Spain has been selected. You can see if you want to select a specific region or city in Spain, you can do that. But in this case, you are targeting the whole of Spain, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see browser language. You are targeting people who understand Spanish, so click on enable. Once you click on it, you can select the language that you want, so search for any language that you want. Let's search for Spanish. Once you search for Spanish, you can see it right here. Click right here, include. Once you click on it, you can see it has been included, so we are targeting people who understand Spanish. Once that is done, you can click on create a campaign, or you can click right here, advanced settings. Once you click on it, you can see many other settings that you can make on your ad. You can see the tracking type. If you want, you can select post back request. Apart from that, you can also limit the number of clicks that you get per day, the number of impressions that you get per day. You can see web viewing allowed, mainstream only, and many other settings. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different settings that you can make. You can see a whole lot of different settings that you can make on your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are not going to touch anything. We are going to leave everything at the default. Once that is done, you have to click right here, create a campaign. Once you click on it, you can see campaign created. Your campaign has been created. The next step is that you have to deposit money into your accounts so that your ad can run on this platform. The minimum amount that you can deposit is $50, and these are the payment methods that you can use to deposit money into your accounts. You can see a whole lot of them. They have Stripe, Teespring, Coinify, Pioneer, Revolt, bank transfer. So any of them that you want, you can select it. Once you select it, click right here, complete the deposit. Once you click on it, you have to enter your details so that you can deposit money into your accounts. Once you deposit the money into your accounts, your ad is going to start running, and you're going to get people from Spain to click on your link and then enter the required details for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can get results using this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, for updates of my next videos.